All right. It is 7:28 p.m. We've got Ferm Bustamante's Pacsales GSR pipe. It's a nice pipe. 10 spots. 15 spots. Everybody has paid. Go down here. Notice, guys. Sideways. Oh, did I already pick this one? No. Oh, there we go. Shit. Okay, 728. Sideways, so you get full movie mode. Oh, not winner. We need Waffle. Starting. 7:28 p.m. Don't have the dog in here today to show you fun things. I do have a big box from Mr. Eric Dodge. It's always kind of nice. The Vespa back there, lots of freaking toys and shit. Alright, guys. Let's go. Do you see? Brand new webpage, random.org. 729. There is not 100 spots. There is 15. Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Number 2. Damn, that's the second waffle in a row that number 2 has popped up for me. Oh, that's not it. Let's go back here. Winner chosen. 729. Number 2 was Mr. Cody Sky. That homo finally won, so we can stop complaining. All right, guys. Peace and chicken grease. Out.